Do you think you can write a song with 2 chords? And I actually know 2 chords that you can play with 1 finger each. And there's some debate. Can you really write a song with 2 chords? And there are many other songs out there that are just 2 chords. So are you all ready with some kind of instrument to pull out? I was going to pull out this ukulele here. If you have something else, a guitar, grab that and find 2 chords, then we're going to make a song. Thanks for joining me in this music creation. I'm just going to show what I'm going to play. It would help if I turned it the right direction. Yes, I have played this ukulele before. So what I'm going to show is we need to play C chord, which is the 3rd fret. 3rd fret in, bottom string is C chord. And then we're going to play A minor, which is the 2nd fret and the top chord. Top string. So bottom 3rd, and the one at the top, and the 2nd fret. So that's all we're going to play. So we're going to start with C. Try to get this up so you can see it. C, A minor, C, A minor, C, A minor. What should the words be for this song? What words should this have for this song? What words are you going to put in there? You got to find something. So just get it to fit into the beat of 4. What do 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 do? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1. What are the words for this song? How are we gonna sing today? C, 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 A minor. C, 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 A minor. Okay, it gets a little repetitive. But if you just use those, C, and then pick some word. Lamp. I'm looking at the light across the room. How about Monday? Monday, 1 2 3 4 1. Monday, it's not Sunday. I want my weekend back. Why does it never last? Why does it never last? See, it's okay to make mistakes. Nobody cares. You're hearing me, but I don't have to hear you. Saturday is gone. I hate this Monday morn. Okay, so maybe we need more lyrics because it had just a few words there. Walking down the street, I see you across the way. I hope that you liked this little mini recording session, creating some songs, or at least watching me make a fool of myself. What I'd love to do is to be able to do a live version of this, but I only have 36 subscribers and I need to get to 50. So if you could help me out and just give me a subscribe, and then that would enable me to do some live sessions and we could create some songs together on ukulele or guitar. And I would love to be able to do that for you all. So if you could subscribe, really appreciate it. Thank you.